की लोकांकय तुगेल्यो गायडलायन्स नाशिल्ल्यान प्रत्येकान आपल्याला
कोणे लायले ऐक बरे हांव तुका सांगता 15 जून 2013 मनोहर पर्रीकार मुख्यमंत्री गोंयचो ताणे असेंब्लीन कितें उलयलें खबर आहा तुका असेंब्लींत सॉरी 7 ऑगस्ट 2014 असेंब्लीन उलयलो तो हांव तुका वाचून दाखयता पंचायत्स can decide how much area and how much construction they will allow in 5 years हे काँग्रेस मागना हांव म्हणटा ताणे पिशें कशें लायलां तें Panchayat can only select that in your village we will permit so many dwelling units. Say for example, Panchayat can decide we will not allow buildings more than 12 structures. So and so, so and so. If the matter is settled but I want to construct commercial, Panchayat can decide in advance that our Panchayat will not allow mega structures. So Panchayat will be given option. People of the Panchayat, not Panch. Sagrang voting korung thorong ditlo. Are Baba, please understand. Please understand. Please understand.
Gram Sabha is not the Panchayat.
Wait. One second.
No, Yatish.
These people have taken planning to a populist level and messed it up. They have messed it up. And
we have not done anything.
Of them.
So Yatish, no, I'll come to you. निलेशाचो एक जो पॉइंट आसा की 60% to 65% सजेशन जे ते इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहात म्हजो प्लॉट आसा म्हाका घर बांदपा जाय किंवा मुगेले मुगेल 2 भुरगे आहात एकटो हांगा रावता एकट्याक थंय घर बांदपाक जाय दीज आर दी काइंड ऑफ सजेशन जी तशी इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवलाची आनी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द सजेशन हाऊ टू ड्रॉ
यू वॉन्ट द काँग्रेस व्यू पॉइंट
हाऊ टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन
यू वॉन्ट द काँग्रेस व्यू पॉइंट
यस
तुम्ही लोकविश्वास जोडलो आश्वासना दिवन करेक्ट लोक ना लेट मी कंप्लीट तुमका आता
सारखे सांग
तुमका ऐक रे म्हाका 500
सांग
तुम्ही लोकविश्वास जोडलो आश्वासना दिवन आश्वासना कायद्यांत तुमची पेपरार आहा हांवें सांगता ते न्ही ओपिनियन न्ही म्हजें कागदां आसा तुम्ही जे सांगले लोकांक ते तुम्ही करा हे काँग्रेस
करता आम्ही करता
तू
बिना
ऑल द इश्यूज अरे तू हे जर पळय बाकीचे वाचना
अरे
100 डेज लोकांनी केला आणि सर्विस झिरो करून सोडला आणि
Sabina, before going to Nilesh, tell me how to draw a line. If there is an individual demand where genuinely he wants to build a house, how should government or town and country planning department draw a line?
Exactly. See, that is what planning is all about. So I mentioned about public utilities. Okay. Now, residential area to stay is also needed for the public. Now, in a panchayat, in an area, how many houses are there? What is the population of a place? How many built up area is required? This has to be assessed. That's why planning has to come from the grassroots level is because of that. And how we are going to do this planning, because this many house, whether we'll go vertical, because if there's no place, are we going to allow high rise structures, or we are going to keep the village ambience, go horizontally, then proportionately रस्ते खंय आसतले proportionately तितले आमचे इतली घरां आसा जाल्यार तितली आमची facilities आसपाक जाय जशें प्लेग्राउंड आनी कितें सो ऑल दीस हॅज टू बी प्लॅन ते सायंटिफिकली प्लॅन जावपाक जाय लोकांचे जे सजेशन्स आसा की म्हाका घर ना हें ना हॅज टू बी टेकन बट इट हॅज टू बी सीन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लॅनिंग
येस आता सबिनान काणयो सांगल्यो पळय तर काणयो बरें दिसता प्रॅक्टिकल लोकांक पळय आपणाचे कितें त्रास जाता पळय ते लोकांक त्रास जाता
What is the ground reality?
एक पळय फर्स्ट तो पळय प्लॅनिंग कर म्हणटा पळय फाल्यां जर प्लॅनिंग करून रस्ते केले आनी हो सेटलमेंट झोन जाल्यार हांगा घरांनी लोकांनी प्लॉट करून विकपाचे पयशे सांगूंक शकता अरे हो कोणाचो जागो कोणाक खबर प्लॅनिंग कर म्हणटा हो आयडेंटिफाय दिस एरिया पॉप्युलेशन फ्लक्च्युएट्स ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ एम्युनिटीज देर इज नो लेट मी फिनिश पॉप्युलेशन आता खुर्च्या पळय हांव सांगता जेन्ना हांव म्हजें इलेक्शन आशिल्लें वोटींग म्हजें वोटिंगाचें सांगता तुका देर वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 26,800 एज ऑफ लास्ट हेजे ऑलमोस्ट 1,500 पीपल हॅव बिकम लेस सो पॉप्युलेशन फंक्शन आनी तो सबिना म्हणटा ते भशेन what she is saying that you have to plan hospital. See, these planning stages are all over in Goa. Wherever hospital is there, all these systems have fallen in place. Today, you don't have to go on all those angles because we have townships, we have current townships, we have current villages. Now, what she is saying, yes, okay, in the village you restrict to development to a certain area, fine. But what is the regional plan done last year?
No, they have messed it up. They have messed it up even by taking Kalapur and Kadlali to ODPs.
Let me finish. In last regional plan, like I am MLA of Kucharai constituency. अरे माझे 2002 थंय FIR आलो 2 त्याच्या नंतर जालो 1.5 आता तेणे केला 1 अरे ते टाउन ते रेल्वे स्टेशन आहा, बस स्टँड आसा, हॉस्पिटल आसा, हे सगळे आसा. So you are expecting that FAR to go down or go up there? So what is this planning? They were part of the planning before.
No, can I?
That was the planning.
No.
Okay.
I am just planning has to be done scientifically. आता आम्ही बिल्डिंगी केले जाले आमकां रस्ते तितले जाले आणि मागीर आमकां दिल्ली सारकी सिच्युएशन येतली की आमकां मागीर ऑड इवन नंबर कार्स घालचे पडटले. सो व्हेन वी आर हॅव्हिंग बिल्डिंग पार्किंग खंय आसतले बट पॉप्युलेशन आणि गोंयचे पॉप्युलेशन.
In short, you cut population.
No. What I'm saying, in Goa, the population rate is below replaceable level. म्हणजे की दोगा एक कपला फाटल्यान दोग भुरगीं आसपाक जाय. आमचो रेशो कमी हा. सो गोंयचो पॉप्युलेशन वाडूंक ना. आता आमी जे आमचे इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी करतात त्या प्रमाणे आमचे लोक येता. सो इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट केली त्या एरियान लोक येले. मायनिंग एरिया केली आमकां भायले ट्रक ड्रायव्हर्स आणि समज तूं लेबर बी जाय जाल्यार आमकां पॉप्युलेशन येता. सो हे आमी इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी आमची प्लॅन करपाक जाय म्हणून आमी सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा. प्लॅनिंग म्हणटा ते फक्त घरां आनी बिल्डिंगी न्हू. वी हॅव टू लूक एट एज्युकेशन, वी हॅव टू लूक एट जॉब्स, लायव्हलीहूड. सो इट हॅज टू बी प्लॅन्ड वेल आणि ताका एक्सपर्ट जाय. देर आर म्हणून आमचे प्लॅनिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट्स आसता. देर आर पीपल आर इट्स अ स्टडीड सब्जेक्ट.
यतीश एक यू बीन एक्टिविस्ट ऑल्सो. एक गजाल दिसता की लोक सुद्धा आमगेले समजून घेनासतना खूप फावटी सजेशन्स आणि ऑब्जेक्शन्स करतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ब्लँकेटली सेईंग स्क्रॅप दी प्लॅन इज वन एक्स्ट्रीम ऑफ इट आणि ब्लँकेटली सेईंग मुगेला हांगा प्लॉट आसा ऑल्दो
laughing his leader said it.
ओके
No, I don't deny.
Tell me.
Okay.
Or you deny that leader. You disown that leader.
I am saying
You disown that leader of yours.
Scrapping 2020-2021 is one part of it.
Tell me.
And building a
He
plan
is on the
different
same
part of
point.
it.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what?
Okay.
I
we are
just
not
want to
up
add
know
one
what-
point.
I'll just
I have one point to add.
One second. I'll just
one extreme is just scrap it completely. Second extreme is मुग्यांक जमीन आसा ती इको वन
Please
आसा
understand.
ती तुम्ही सेटलमेंट
Please understand.
Can I?
Every person,
Yeah.
panchayat, gram sabha, stakeholder, everybody has got a right to make his opinion heard, but it has to be sieved on a very meritorious platform. And when you are sieving it, your self-interest and greed and everything should be kept at bay.
Planning.
That is planning.
Yeah.
You see, there are parameters which are scientific. I agree with her. Because scientific parameters of planning have to be ingrained in the processes. It has not to be a man-oriented process. It has to be a system-oriented process. So therefore, I am telling you, these people said that we are going to do this and do that and that. They have done nothing. In fact, what they have done, I will take 1 mile forward from where she stopped. When you are talking about maintaining rural identities of villages or village identity of our villages, and when you are bringing them increasingly under ODPs, what are you planning? Now you are, see, we have got Kalangut, we have got Kandoli, these are all panchayat areas. Panchayat areas taking into ODP is a bad trend. It has to be rather opposite. It has to be ensured that there should be a uniformity in planning. When you are creating high density areas in rural areas, you are burdening the infrastructure, you are giving a higher FAR ratio, you are creating a situation where on a road of the village, you are putting a structure of 12 floors or 11 floors or whatever it is. Please understand, infrastructure is needed. Housing needs are also increasing. People are now trying to build their small individual dwelling units and all that.
Yeah.
Goans, I'm talking about Goans. You have to be a pragmatic person when it comes to planning. And when you're doing this pragmatic planning, you have to go by scientific yardsticks. You cannot go by pleasing somebody.
You cannot go by the
errand MLA.
Okay.
You are trying to please errand MLA.
Pleasing errand MLA, I'll come to that. Yeah, you are
I
making
just
a
wanted
point.
to make a very important point. What we are talking about is how should people's suggestions go into it.
Yeah.
The first thing which the government should have done, whether it's the Congress and or the BJP, because Congress started the planning process, is that the law had to be amended. At the law commission, आमचे law commission म्हणून आले. So they should have starting day one worked on it. Is people have been demanding people's voice to be in the planning process. 73rd 74th amendment मागले. So हे planning process कशें जावचे आणि legally acceptable. फाल्यां माझो MLA म्हाका बरो आहा म्हणून माझे सजेशन घातलं तशें न्ही. So legally what is correct and how people's suggestions should be incorporated, that whole thing had to be done by the Law Commission and the
Law
Legislative
Commission has
Assembly.
no chairman
One
to
minute,
it.
1 minute. And the Legislative Assembly should have passed it. And this is where the legislators and political parties have failed.
ओके निलेश, एक गजाल यू एग्री करता जेन्ना इलेक्शन इयरा भितर तुम्ही प्लॅनिंग प्रोसेस दवरतात, देन गव्हर्नमेंट गेट्स स्ट्रेच्ड बिटवीन पॉप्युलिस्ट डिमांड्स अँड द प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ प्लॅनिंग. इट्स अ सर्कस नाव यू कॅनॉट एस्केप इट. आता तो म्हणतो लोकांक जाय म्हणून ते करपा येना आणि प्लॅनिंगाक ते बसना म्हणून ते भायर उडोवपा येना. अशी सिच्युएशना भितर तुम्ही स्वताकच सापडून घेतला.
तशें ना ते बस पळय तुका सांगता पळय आतां लेट अस बी प्रॅक्टिकल. गोंय कशें आसा, गोंयांत दोंगर आसा, शेतां आसा, न्हंयो आसा. आतां अशें जर प्लॅनिंग जर आमी कोणा कडेन दिलें न्ही, यू हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय वीच इज द लँड यू वील बिल्ड. जागो उरला खंय रे? तूं आतां म्हाजे कुडचड्याक जे 2 विलेजी
He is
मेळोवन
talking about कुडचडें.
example,
I understand
okay, let us say Margaon.
You're
Let
talking
us say
about
Margaon.
planning here.
Forget. I'm talking planning of Margaon. Let us say Margaon. Margaon जेन्ना गेले ते जागो उरला रे, मडगांव उरला, प्लॅनिंग करपाचो उरला जागो. खंय उरला जागो? मडगांव. म्हणजे तूं प्लॅनिंग करपाचें जें आसा ती पोरणी घरां जर कोण आतां ते कन्झर्वेशन झोन आसा एक, तो गोमंत विद्यापीठ रोडा तो कन्झर्वेशन झोन उरलो. बाकीचे ते सोडून जागो मडगांव खंय आसा प्लॅनिंग करपाचो?
यू आर सेइंग सेटलमेंट एरियाज इज नीड ऑफ द आवर.
अरे इट इज अ नीड. You expect a common man to buy land at prices which are so high in settlement. So in villages, when she is saying, madam is saying that you have to do planning, I agree with her. Now, how to do planning in villages? You identify this village, you say that this village, this is the area where you can build. But when you're doing so, what happens to the person who doesn't have land there?
Okay.
So
How does he buy land there?
You know,
The
listen.
government has to buy land and give them?
Yeah, that-
Then that also she should say.
Yes, what I would say is that every human being, when we are talking about government policies,
Quickly.
have to look after their food, clothing, shelter, education, your health, everything. So all these aspects have to be taken care in the planning process. So when people don't have houses, it is the responsibility of the government to see how these people will be provided shelter. Otherwise, we'll have
You see,
squatters.
Final
he's
comment,
forgotten
final
that.
comment, final
He's
comment.
laughing,
Yeah.
but he doesn't know what his manifesto read. His manifesto read and promised housing policy to provide housing for all.
अरे
At
जागो
reasonable
यार, हे
cost.
काँग्रेसीन
Please
वाट
understand.
लायल्या.
Please
Acquisition
understand.
करपा
This
जायना.
BJP
Acquisition
has
करपा
messed
जायना,
up
हे काँग्रेसीन वाट
planning in
लायल्या.
such a way
बिल
that
हाडला.
Goa is
अरे म्हाका
suffering.
सांग,
And
planning
Goa will
करपाक-
continue to suffer.
planning
Because of
करपाक
this
तुका
BJP.
सांगता पळय,
Yeah.
एक काँग्रेसीन वाट
These
लायल्या.
people have
सेंटराक
finished
पॉलिसी
Goa.
केल्या.
These
साडेतीन-
people have finished
म्हाका
Goa.
आता 4
You
वर्सां
go,
पयलीं.
you go,
3.5
you
वर्सां
go,
जाली. I can
you
acquire
go and
one
see the
small
documents.
road.
These
I
people
can
are
small
ensuring
acquire.
that
अरे
builders
who
are
will
ruling the
who will
roost.
give me
Yeah,
NOC?
Builders are ruling the roost.
Yatish,
Because
your
of the
point is-
I
your
think-
point is very- no, Yatish, your point is very simple. Stick to the manifesto. Do what you have
My
promised.
point is very simple.
Yeah.
You have spoken in your
Oh,
manifesto.
well,
One second. You have spoken in your manifesto and through your manifesto.
Yeah.
You have been voted to power on that premise.
Yeah.
You have spoken in the assembly to the governor. That speech has been voted. That is a crystallized proposition.
That's it, your point.
Do what you have
झालं.
promised.
झालं? येणी वाट लावून
You have to-
दवरल्या.
no, no.
अरे हांव आतां
वाट
सांगता.
लावून दवरल्या. तुम्ही गोबोर केला मरे.
अरे हांव
तुम्ही
वाट
वाट लावून
लावून
दवरल्या.
दवरल्या.
तुम्ही गोबोर
अरे
केला.
Final point.
प्लॅनिंग फायनल प्लॅन
Planning हे उलयतले.
Yatish. Final
सगळ्यांना
point.
म्हणतात
Yeah.
इट इज द गव्हर्नमेंट्स प्रपोजल दॅट यू हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय लँड अँड बिल्ड हाऊसेस ही सेइंग दॅट यू हॅव सेंड दिस. अरे यांनी वाट लावली सेंटराक.
अरे do what you have promised, man. Do what you have promised. You don't know what you have promised.
अरे
I think the
सेंटराची पॉलिसी
politicians
सेंटराची
are only for
पॉलिसी जी
power.
आसा
Yeah.
हांव जेन्ना आमदार जालो 4 वर्सां जेन्ना हांव मॅनिफेस्टो दिल्लो 6 म्हयन्यांनी एक्विजिशन पॉलिसी चेंज जाली. तू तुझा जागो एक्वायर करपाक दिता रे?
Okay, I'll stop at that. Magista, एक गजाल
कितें उलयता ते?
I should apologize to Sabina because she's sitting in between two politicians and they are fighting. Very sorry, but I'll stop at that. एक गजाल क्लियर झाल्या खंय तरी ग्राउंड रियलिटी आणि प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ प्लॅनिंग ह्यो दोन्ही टेबलाचेर घेऊन आमकां प्लॅन करचो पडटलो. जो मेरेन ते करनात तो मेरेन ते स्क्विझिंग जातले आणि तातूंतल्यान लोकांचोय फायदो जावचो ना आणि गोंयचोय फायदो जावचो ना. आयले वेळ सारको सोंपला. इतली बरी मतां मारली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.